Hare Krishna. This year we are celebrating 125 years of appearance of Srila Prabhupada. So this year, when I sat down to see what Srila Prabhupada has given us, and I feel great pleasure in recounting the blessings and gifts what Srila Prabhupada has given. Now I just see, Srila Prabhupada, you have come here to give us ISKCON. You have come here to give us the culture, the culture and the life, the living way by which we can live our life in devotional service. Oh Srila Prabhupada, you have given us this very wonderful, you have you gave us Krishna. Actually, we Indians, we knew so many gods, we knew so many demigods, we were worshipping so many gods, Ganesh, Indra, Varun, many other gods. But you have come, you have given us Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You have come, you have gave us the holy name, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. We were chanting so many mantras which we knew earlier, but now we know the power of the holy name, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. You came, Srila Prabhupada, you gave us the very beautiful temples, you gave us very beautiful prasadam by which once just eating a remnant offered to the Lord, one get liberated from this material world if we have the faith. So we see how much you have come and you have given us. You have given us your association in the form of books. We had so many scriptures, but we hardly read them. But you have given us your Srila Prabhupada purports. You have given us the purports by which reading the scriptures made us understand the goal of the life. The goal of the life is to love Krishna, to serve Krishna, and just to go back home, back to Godhead. This you have given us, Srila Prabhupada. Oh Srila Prabhupada, you have given us the disciples of yours in the form, in their form you have given us such beautiful memories what they carry of yours, the beautiful experiences what they have, and by this we ourselves can understand and live with you through those pastimes when we hear from them. Oh Srila Prabhupada, you have given us this ISKCON, you have given us this morning program, by which practicing, you have given us this process of devotional service. Just by practicing devotional service, one gets liberated from this material world. You have given us this morning program, the wonderful morning program. By just practicing it, you have one get a surcharge to overcome the illusionary energy of yours, illusionary energy of Maya. Srila Prabhupada, when I see that you have given us so much, but you have given us this without any qualification. You have given us the engagement. Actually, this is one of the biggest thing for a devotee to be engaged in devotional service. And you have come and you have given us this engagement. The process of devotional service. We can engage in so many different services. We can engage ourselves in pujari services. We can engage in preaching the holy name of the Lord, preaching the message of Krishna consciousness, by giving classes or by giving, by spreading the book distribution all over the world, and especially by doing Harinam Sankirtan. So you have given us so many things by which we can always be engaged in Krishna's service. We can always be engage ourselves in Krishna consciousness. So we are so very grateful to you, Srila Prabhupada. In spite of giving us so many things, just as a grandfather who is a very rich grandfather gives a grandson whatever he owns, whatever he has. But this grandson, if he doesn't take it with a proper mood, if he doesn't take it very seriously, then what happened? He loses all this fortune. Same way, I pray that I should not take all these things very casually. Rather, I should take it very seriously with a mood to practice, with a mood to imbibe these things, and not just consider these things to be broken pieces of glass, but rather than very rare diamonds. So you have given us such rare diamonds that I should value them, I should keep them very carefully, and I should try to distribute, as you tell it, that we should give this Krishna consciousness message all over the world to everyone, whomever we meet. So Srila Prabhupada, I beg at your lotus feet that you give us your blessings so that we take these things very seriously. Dear Srila Prabhupada, when I see in my heart, my heart is filled with so many anarthas, lust, greed, anger. These are just keep arising every time, and it's very difficult to tolerate them. and at the same time, I need to fight with them, and I need your mercy so that I can go ahead with this and keep practicing devotional service in spite of all these anarthas coming again and again in the heart. Devotional service is like fire, and you are the one who gives the fire of enthusiasm. You are the one who gives fire of enthusiasm to everyone. Oh Srila Prabhupada, I beg at your lotus feet that I be engaged thoroughly in the process of devotional service, giving my words, giving my mind, giving my service to you till the end of my life. I beg at your lotus feet to bestow your blessings, and please protect me from offending your devotees. Your devotees are very dear to you, and please protect me from offending them. I pray that I become a worthy grandson of yours and may spread your name all over the world to whatever best capacity I have. Thank you, Srila Prabhupada. Jai Srila Prabhupada ki jai.